Hi students, in the second video, we learned the factors which contributed to the making of our constitution and about the Constituent Assembly who made the Indian Constitution. In this video, let us study the guiding values of the Indian Constitution, philosophy of the Constitution, institutional design. Gandhiji was not member of Constituent Assembly, but his vision was followed by many members of Constituent Assembly. In 1931, Gandhiji in his magazine Young India spelled out what he wanted the constitution to do. Jawaharlal Nehru, in his famous speech to the Constituent Assembly, he pledged about dedication, humanity, and responsibility. Let us learn the philosophy of the Constitution. The preamble contains the philosophy of the Constitution. Taking inspiration from American model, most countries in the contemporary world have chosen to begin their constitution with a preamble. What is a preamble? Preamble is an introductory document of the Constitution that reflects the basic idea of the Constitution. Preamble is the soul of the Indian Constitution. This is the picture of preamble of our Constitution. Let us understand the meaning of each keyword given in the preamble of our Constitution. We, the people of India, means the Constitution has been drawn up and enacted by the people through their representatives and not handed down to them by a king or any outside powers. Sovereign means people have supreme right to make decisions on internal as well as external matters. No external power can dictate the government of India. Next, socialist means wealth is generated socially and should be shared equally by society. Government should regulate the ownership of land and industry to reduce socio-economic inequalities. Secular means citizens have complete freedom to follow any religion, but there is no official religion. Government treats all religious beliefs and practices with equal respect. The word democratic means a form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, elect their rulers, and hold them accountable. The government is run according to some basic rules. Republic means the head of the state is an elected person and not a hereditary position. Justice means citizen cannot be discriminated on the grounds of caste, religion, and gender. Government should work for the welfare of all, especially of the disadvantaged groups. The word liberty means there are no unreasonable restrictions on the citizen in what they think, how they wish to express their thoughts, and the way they wish to follow up their thoughts in action. Equality means all are equal before the law. The traditional social inequalities have to be ended. The government should ensure equal opportunity for all. The word fraternity means all of us should behave as if we are members of the same family. No one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior. A constitution is not just a statement of values and philosophy. It is a very long and detailed document. Therefore, it needs to be amended quite regularly to keep it updated. What is constitutional amendment? A change in the constitution made by the supreme legislative body in a country. Constitution can be described as institutional design because the constitution describes the institutional arrangements in a very legal language. It lays down a procedure for choosing persons to govern the country. It defines the distribution of power among various organs of the government. It also defines certain limitations to the power of constitutional body. It describes certain rights which are given to citizens and also describes certain restrictions on these rights.